What it do, Blooming Fam? It's the Blooming Fam back with another video. So let's go Christmas shopping. Yeah, so we ended up in Burlington. Right now I'm looking at Christmas skirts. What is you guys' favorite store to go holiday or decor shopping at, right? Like, what's your favorite store? I love Burlington. We don't have that many stores where I'm at, but Burlington is definitely one of them. They have a lot of options. So yeah, here I'm just shopping for some decor. I was looking at the not bed skirt, tree skirts. Um, so when I'm shopping for decor, right, I'm looking for a blanket, right? That's like $10. A blanket to go across the top of the sofa. Some pillowcases, some decorative pillowcases, just because I have some pillows. So invest in your pillows for your couches, because you can always change the cover. What else do I look for? Oh, a vase, a flower, on a rug, and whatever main attraction it will be, right? So our main attraction for Christmas is our Christmas tree, so things are going to match that. We have fake snow on it, so I'm looking for silver and gold. Right now, like, I feel like I'm at a candy store, to be honest. With everything there, I just didn't know what to decide on. But yeah, I'm looking for silver and gold. I did get a table from Black Friday. It was like $27. So I think that was a steal. Got that. And I'm gonna need a vase to go on top of that, preferably silver and gold. Yeah, so right now I thought that would look good on the table too. Something nice, short, and it had the flower. It'd be a cute centerpiece, and I could put a candle in it. I was looking at the wreaths for the door. So yeah, I just really love when I go shopping for decor. It's just so calming to me, and I love to go when the baby is asleep, just because I don't know, I don't like to leave my baby that often. But so when he's asleep and dad is chilling, he has everything that he needs, I'm good to go. You know what I mean? So yeah, you see the blanket and the vase, and you'll end up seeing that on probably the next video, because I'm still waiting on the decorative pillowcases for the sofa. But yeah, I put that flower back. So yeah, I'm so excited for the holidays, you guys. I'm pretty sure you heard this a lot, but the holidays isn't about gifts. It's about spending time with each other and creating those vibes. So that's why I like the decor, because it definitely creates the vibes. And with us having our baby and this being his first Christmas, it's a must. I honestly felt like I should have, did a colorful Christmas tree. But yeah, your girl was feeling more aesthetic type of thing. So that's what happened. So that is the Christmas tree before the bulbs and stuff. That's after. Got a little candy canes. You see her. I got her from Dollar Tree. I thought it was so cute. I a little F on the tree. And so yeah, here, just trying on the Santa hat and showing you guys our matching Christmas. Well, I gotta do my thug dizzle, but showing you guys our matching outfits for our pictures. This isn't our official pictures for Christmas, but it was something fun to do while we just clean up and just start our Vlogmas off. So yeah, that's what you guys are seeing. This little outfit, and then at the end I'm gonna show you just a snippet of what we were doing, the pictures that we was taking, and how we were posing on them. It was fun. But I really want to hear from you guys. Like, how are you guys doing this holiday? Are you done Christmas shopping? Do you plan a Christmas shop? Do you have something on your list that you're really hoping to get? Look at that. I was trying to act like I was gonna slap him. And he ain't scared. But yeah, like, do you have something that you're really hoping to get this Christmas? Me personally, I don't have anything that I'm really hoping to get. I have what I wanted and dreamed of, honestly, more than what I could have dreamed of. My family, my baby. I'm just so happy. So that's my Christmas gift. I tried to tell baby not to get me nothing. Hopefully he doesn't, but you know him. He don't listen. But yeah, now y'all, we was matching. You know, baby trying to pump his muscles up real quick. You know, I see him. Baby was asleep, so. So we about to get our pictures that way. And then we're gonna do this. And please don't pay attention to the ugly picture on the wall. I'm DIYing it and I gotta fix that. But yeah, back to the photos.